According to the Ministry of Water and Environment, only 52 towns in the country have sewage treatment plants, with Sewage as the main serving sewage treatment plant. In an effort to push the initiative to have more constructed, Ministry of Water and Environment's Assistant Commissioner in charge of sanitation, Engineer Felix Twinomucunguzi, said in collaboration with the Green Global Growth Institute, GGGI, they will install a sewage plant in Mukono.
Twagala okukola plants ga bweziti mu different parts personas ze Kampala ne Greater Kampala itogera tukolemu Mukono, tukolemu Wakiso, tukolemu sides ng'empigi kulaba mu towns zonna zifuna abantu basobola okutwala emotoka ne zitwala kufuna treatment.
Some officials from GGGI said the project's total cost amounts to over $2.3 million. They explained what they based on to work with Mukono municipality.
We came to work with Mukono by selecting them through some science-based evidence. And we are very happy to work with Mukono municipality because they've been very committed, engaged to support the people of Mukono and overall the greater Kampala metropolitan area by providing public services on sanitation, which is fecal sludge management and solid waste management.
I would like to really wish for Mukono to reach its vision, a city of prosperity, and that's the ultimate goal.
Engineer Twinomucunguzi explained the importance of having the sewage treatment plant.
Naye ku budde buno we tuli tetunafuna emiddomo gino gitwala kazambi kuva mu nti yonna. So kye tukola treatment plants nga zino kulaba mbu emmotoka ayinza okujja neenunula kazambi eno kuva mu septic tank kuva mu ki neegireeta mu treatment plant ng'eno. So naye kati no plant ejja kuyambako neesavinga abantu abali mu eastern part ya Uganda.
The purpose of this project is to strengthen the capacity, as the project title says, to strengthen the capacity of the government on solid waste management and fecal sludge management.
Mukono Municipality Council Mayor Mukasa Nkoyoyo seconded the plan, saying it will help fight disease spread.
Enda kutuyamba okukendeza ku bulwadde tusubira tunamalawo kazambi oyo ow'ebirime n'ebintu bye tukozesa ate n'oyo ava mu bantu ne mu bisolo tujja kuba nga tukendeeza obulwadde obugwa mu bitundu eby'ebibuga n'okusingira ddala.
The arrangement was held under the theme Strengthening Solid Waste and Fecal Sludge Management Capacity of the Greater Kampala Metropolitan Area.